It's crunch time! For creators, one crochet stitch, unlimited creativity. And this is Battle of the Stitches! Week 2. Hey there and welcome to the Goat Crochet channel. Just kidding! Hey there and welcome to the Totally Fierce Crochet channel and welcome to week 2 of the Battle of the Stitches, June 2025. And of course, if you're new to the Battle of the Stitches and want to learn more about it, please make sure to check out the post under my community tab or the week 1 video in my Battle of the Stitches playlist, because I won't repeat everything in this video, but there you will find all the information and some additional information about the participants: Heather from Strings and Frets, Teresa from Crochet, and Sid from Sweet Pea Sid's Inspirations, and the links to their accounts you will also find in the description. So week 2 in the Battle of the Stitches means that each creator will give you a little sneak peek, a little glimpse of what they have been working on as their final project for Battle of the Stitches. And to be honest, I'm not even close to finishing. I have some clues in here in my Battle of the Stitches bag to share with you, but of course I won't tell you too much about it. And the goats in the background won't either. So here's clue number 1, and that's the yarn that I'm using to create my final project. And guess what? I'm working with paper, with raffia paper to be correct. So that means I really want to put up a little challenge for myself to see if I can work with such an unconventional material. Of course, you probably have seen projects using raffia, and I was pretty scared. I thought this would be an absolute torture to work with, but turns out it's quite a lot of fun. And those are the colors that I'm using. So maybe this is a little clue for you to guess what I'm making with paper. It's again so hot, I'm sorry for sweating like a pig. But so now you know the kind of yarn that I'm using for this project. And of course I have to give you a little ASMR kind of sneak peek video how our selected stitch, the double crunch stitch, will look like when crocheted with paper, because the sound of it is just so amazing and so calming. It's just like the breeze of the sea. But check it out. Any guesses? I'm sure you do have some ideas. Make sure to share them in the comments with me, and of course next week you are going to see the reveal of my final project. And 3 times a charm, here's another clue with this beautiful ivory white yarn, which will not be double crunch, but it's still beautiful. So now it's up to you to guess what kind of project I'm going to make for the Battle of the Stitches. And again, tell me in the comments what you think that it might be. And week 2 of Battle of the Stitches is usually without any tutorials, but of course, you know, I had some additional ideas. So coming today is going to be my double crunch stitch tutorial for these super absolutely gorgeous, colorful, summery soap bags. So definitely watch out for it. You will see again how to make the double crunch stitch in the round, and you get color changes and you can create so many beautiful color patterns with this absolutely amazing stitch. So Be sure to check this one out, and I can't wait to see you there. And until then, happy crocheting. Bye. Keep guessing what I'm making. How come it's always so warm when I go outside to film? But did you see the goats? So funny. I'm hoping that one or more of them are coming a bit closer to the fence, so you will see them better. Maybe I should give them some noises like meh, meh.